Hi, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Hope all of you are doing well. We will start the session. Welcome, everyone. Uh, Hi, Anup, Abhishek, Atanu, Prajakta, Birendra, Bobby, Dipali, Dipalok. Welcome. Kiran, Mandeep, Nilesh, Nitu Jain, Nikhil. Hi, hi. Super. Welcome, everyone. Okay, let's get started. So, today's टॉपिक आज का टॉपिक तो कल का पोलिंग से डिसाइड हुआ था, करेक्ट? याद है ना सबको? सो व्हाट वाज द पोलिंग? हाँ, हु इज गोइंग टू टेल मी कि पोलिंग में क्या आया था? व्हाट वाज डिसाइडेड यस्टरडे इन द पोलिंग कि टॉप मोस्ट क्या आया था? एनीवन हु रिमेंबर्स? हाँ, प्रियंका कर प्रिया, सॉरी, प्रिया, दीपाली, नीलेश. हाउ टू मूव ए स्मॉल टिकट क्लाइंट टू ए बिग टिकट क्लाइंट. परफेक्ट. Perfect, 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 perfect. Super. चलो, let's begin. Now, देखिए, अ, एक छोटा सा ऑब्जर्वेशन से शुरू करता हूँ. ओके, एंड धीरे धीरे हम लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे. ये जो हमारे जितने क्लाइंट्स होते हैं ना, मोस्ट ऑफ आवर क्लाइंट्स, मोस्ट ऑफ अस एज ए म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर, वी हैव समटाइम्स टू मेनी क्लाइंट्स. मैंने देखा है बिजनेस जिनका एयूएम है 20 करोड़, 30 करोड़, 50 करोड़, बट क्लाइंट्स है 300, 400, 500. So it is not actually a client problem. The problem is ticket size. Okay. And we have far too many clients. We also have good relationships. They may even be trusted relationships. But when you look honestly at your own book, you realize that most of the clients are still at the same AUM what they were year after year. हाँ? जिनका 5,000 का एसआईपी चल रहा था वो अभी भी 5,000 का एसआईपी में चल रहा है. ऐसा ही होता है, राइट? हाँ. इज दिस अ प्रॉब्लम दैट वी सफर फ्रॉम? हाँ, राइट, यस. दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम दैट वी विल लुक टू सॉल्व. जिनका 10,000 का एसआईपी चल रहा है वो अभी भी 10,000 का एसआईपी में चल रहा है. वो बढ़ता ही नहीं है. जिन्होंने एक जमाने में कुछ 1-2 लाख इन्वेस्टमेंट्स किया है वो अभी भी 1-2 लाख में ही, मतलब मार्केट एक्शन हुआ है बट टॉप अप कुछ हुआ नहीं है. एंड प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है? इवन व्हेन द क्लाइंट्स इनकम ग्रोज, बिजनेस ग्रोज, लाइफ मूव्स ऑन, फिर भी देयर इन्वेस्टमेंट्स डू नॉट गो अप. एंड एंड हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं अपने आप को? शायद उनके पास सरप्लस नहीं है. हाँ, मे बी दैट पर्सन इज लिटिल कंजर्वेटिव, मे बी द पर्सन इज नॉट रेडी. हम लोग अपने आप को क्या बोल के समझाते हैं? प्लीज राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स. चलिए, जब आप देखते हो एक क्लाइंट इवन आफ्टर 3 years, 5 years, 10 years has not increased the AUM, what do you tell yourself? अपने आप को कैसे तसल्ली देते हैं? क्यों नहीं किया होगा? राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स. देखो, हाँ, देखो, मोस्ट क्लाइंट्स डोंट स्टे स्मॉल बिकॉज दे कांट इन्वेस्ट मोर. ऐसा नहीं है. दे स्टे स्मॉल बिकॉज आपके साथ उनका रिलेशनशिप ना ज्यादा अपग्रेड नहीं हुआ है, वही के वही अटका हुआ है. ऐसा कोई क्लाइंट होता नहीं है जो सुबह उठ के सोचता है चलो मैं म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर को फोन करके अभी इन्वेस्टमेंट्स बढ़ा देता हूं. नोबडी थिंक्स. दिस इज नॉट देयर वे ऑफ थिंकिंग. इट इज नॉट देयर प्रायोरिटी. इट इज नो वंस प्रायोरिटी टू वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग. वेरी रेयरली किसी का प्रायोरिटी होगा टू वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग एंड से चलो मैं म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर को फोन करके आज मैं इन्वेस्टमेंट्स बढ़ा देता हूं. Nobody takes that, sir. Okay. They wait for a signal. They wait for a signal which tells them from within. उनके अंदर से एक सिग्नल की वेट करते हैं वो लोग, knowingly, unknowingly, कि बॉस दिस पर्सन कैन हैंडल मोर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. दिस पर्सन कैन मेक माई मनी situations feel better, lighter, peace of mind. This person is definitely not in a hurry. आज का जो सेशन है, हाउ टू गेट ए स्मॉल टिकट टू ए लार्ज टिकट. देखो, when we will start the session, you will realize today's session is not about asking clients for more money. It is about earning the right to manage more. We will be managing more money when we earn the right to manage more. हक बढ़ेगा. समझ पा रहे क्या बोल रहे की कोशिश कर रहा हूं? Because big tickets don't come from any big pitch, good smart pitch. They come from a very, you know, deep down confidence, improvement in confidence within themselves. चलो अगला few minutes में I'm going to walk you through a simple flow, nothing very dramatic, nothing very aggressive, but it has got a very finer nuance about how to make it happen. Okay. And you will see how to go through that flow and bring a shift in how the clients look at you, how the clients see you, how to open a very natural conversation about growing the money, all of that, and increase the ticket size without any kind of awkwardness. Okay. If you follow this, दो चीज होगा. मैं ये भी पहले आपको बताता हूं. आज का सेशन थोड़ा हटके है. इफ यू फॉलो दिस, टू थिंग्स विल हैपन. क्लाइंट्स के तरफ से बातचीत करना बढ़ जाएगा अबाउट मनी, एंड you will stop feeling uncomfortable asking for something that you have never asked. And you will stop feeling uncomfortable. Okay. So let's get into this session. Absolutely. Are you guys ready? Huh? Ready? Ekdam? Perfect. Chala. Super. Let me share my screen as usual and we will get started. All right. Give me a second. Okay. Slide is visible. किसी को कोई दिक्कत नहीं हो रही है? प्रसिद्धजीत दत्ता, सुमन मुरकुरी, किशोर, नीरज मित्तल, नीलेश, अभिषेक गागपालीवार, कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है स्लाइड्स देखने में? कुछ नहीं ना? चलो, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, चलो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. ओके, सो हाउ डू आई मूव एंड अपग्रेड ए क्लाइंट इनटू अ हायर टिकट? ओके, मैं धीरे धीरे जाऊंगा सो दैट इट्स इजियर टू फॉलो दिस. देखो, देयर आर टू काइंड्स ऑफ एडवाइजर्स. एक होता है जो काम कंपोज वेल सेटल्ड, जो हमको बनना है, एंड जो दूसरा होता है दोज हु आर गनिंग फॉर दैट एक्स्ट्रा वॉलेट शेयर ऑफ द क्लाइंट, दोज हु आर लिटिल हंग्री. जो हंग्री एडवाइजर्स होता है ना, वो क्या करता है? वो सीधा पूछता है, मांगता है. दे आस्क फॉर एलोकेशन एक्सप्लिसिटली. आपने उनको इतना दिया है, मुझे इतना ही दिया है, मैं इतना अच्छा सर्विस देता हूं, मांगते रहते हैं. ओके, एंड यू टारगेट द क्लाइंट सरप्लस मनी. दैट रिजल्ट्स इन क्रिएटिंग रेजिस्टेंस. जो वेल सेटल्ड एडवाइजर होता है ना, वो क्या कोशिश करता है? दे ट्राई टू वर्क इन सच ए मैनर दैट द परसेप्शन ऑफ द एडवाइजर इन द माइंड ऑफ द क्लाइंट improves. Let me repeat. The perception of the advisor in the mind of the client improves. They do not target the surplus money of the client. They target the client's confidence in you. Okay. Clients don't increase allocation because you ask. They increase allocation because they feel safe working with you. Okay. Big tickets are never about surplus money. They're about surplus confidence. In order to increase the ticket size from small to big, we have to first work on upgrading the client's perception of us before we even attempt to upgrade the size of the ticket. So let us attempt to how to go about doing this. Okay. Now, there is a framework: stability, perspective, gap, invitation. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth step. So you cannot skip any of the rung. Ladder ka 4, 5 rungs hai na. First level, first step, second step, third step. So you cannot jump to inviting consolidation without proving stability. Okay, so याद रखिए इस इस स्लाइड का स्क्रीनशॉट जरूर ले सकते हैं. Okay, stability, perspective, gap, invitation, in that order. Stability, it is one of the prerequisites to the asking phase. If a client hasn't seen you handle one tough phase calmly, they will unlikely give you a big ticket. If the client has seen you, maybe they will. So, what are the required behaviors? No panic during volatility, no constant churning of the portfolio, no over communication or defensive explanations. जो गलत है वो गलत है, जो सही है वो सही है. The client के मन में क्या चलते रहेगा? क्या this person is steady even when things are uncomfortable. This is the first litmus test बोलते हैं. What is the perspective shift? Okay. Instead of saying that the fund is doing well, let's look at your money in the multiple parts, not products. Some is for growth, some is for safety, some is for flexibility. Break up the money allocations in 3 buckets: growth, safety, flexibility. This signals that you're thinking like a portfolio manager, not just as a distributor. Okay. Do not talk about increasing investment size at all at this stage. Gap discovery. Apart from this, where is the rest of your money parked? Which part of your money worries you the most? Which money is lying idle because you don't know what to do with it? You can take a screenshot of this slide. Apart from this, where is the rest of your money parked? Which part of your money worries you the most? Which money is lying idle because you don't know what to do? There are certain visible assets, there are certain invisible assets. It will get revealed. Clients often admit to holding FDs, surplus bank balances, inherited money, or old investments with others. Your job is to just ask the question and press the pause button. We can keep managing only this portion of the money, which is perfectly fine. Or if you're comfortable, we can bring more of your money under one structure so decisions are easier for you. We can keep managing money, only this portion, which is perfectly fine. Or if you're comfortable, we can bring more of your money under one structure, so decisions are easier for you. We are asking money to bring it under the structure, not for yourself. What we should never say is that you should invest more. This is a good opportunity. Markets are currently low. Others are doing this. These statements push away money because you sound hungry. The objective is to upgrade the opportunity for you, the advisor, not. So that is the change. Change it as a relief for them. Why clients say yes? You don't sound hungry. The clients will only say yes when you don't sound hungry. You don't rush into any decisions. You respect the pace and you reduce their mental load. The objective is to reduce their mental load. Do not forget this sentence. Objective is to reduce their mental load. If that is not reduced, big tickets will seldom come by. Okay. So what do we do next 30 days? Identify 10 small tickets, but who are stable clients. Okay. Stop discussing products with them for the next 1 month. Shift your conversation strictly to the structure and give them the comfort. And then ask gap questions calmly. Do not chase, let the structure work. Go through this process. Identify 10 small ticket clients, but who are stable. Stop discussing products with them for the next 1 month. Shift conversation strictly to structure and comfort, and ask gap questions calmly. Invite the consolidation, but only once. Clients, clients don't upgrade advisors who chase growth. They upgrade advisors who make money feel lighter to handle. When you make things easier for them to be understood, they will definitely upgrade with you. Can the team follow up? Definitely. Okay. I'm going to open up the polling question for tomorrow now. Here you go. Please answer the polling question about what you want to be covered for tomorrow. This is about client behavior during volatility. The one which gets the highest vote will get selected for tomorrow. You can do multiple choices also. You can select multiple. I think yesterday that didn't work, but today it can definitely work. And I would love to see 100% of you participate. Currently, we have 30 more seconds to go. Last 20 seconds. Last 15 seconds. Last 5 seconds. All right. Let me just share with you the results of the poll, and I will take a screenshot of this as well. So just give me a minute. All right. I've taken a picture of this. So tomorrow we are going to cover how to handle market is risky conversations. If the client says market is risky, we would learn how to handle those kind of conversations. All right. All the best, everybody. And Suman, definitely the team can follow up. Have a great day ahead. See you exactly at 10:10 tomorrow. All the best.